Tom, pack your bags. Today we are going on a forest safari. Really, Dad?
We will see wild animals. Yes, Tom, you will see lions.
Get ready, kids. Our safari adventure is starting.
I am ready for the safari.
Let's go see the animals.
Dad, the forest is very beautiful.
Yes, Tom, nature is always beautiful.
Yes, Tom, trees give us fresh oxygen of the forest. Dad, this forest looks big.
Yes, Tom, today we will see many animals.
Dad, I am very excited for the safari. Dad, the forest is very green.
Yes, Tom, trees give us fresh air. Ban.
I like the smell of the forest. I want to see animals today.
Be patient, Tom. Animals live deep in the forest.
I will watch carefully. Dad, look, monkeys!
Yes, Tom, monkeys love to play in trees.
They are very funny. The monkey is hungry. Yes, Tom, animals also need food. I like helping animals. Dad, I feel happy today.
Helping others is always good.
I want to do good things every day. That is a good habit, Tom. Dad, there are many birds here.
Yes, Tom, forests are full of birds and animals.
The forest feels alive. Dad, what birds are these?
These are parrots, and some are called macaws.
Dad, the parrot is eating from my hand.
Yes, Tom, parrots like nuts and seeds.
Dad, the parrot is sitting with me. Yes, Tom, parrots are smart birds and they can remember many words. Wow, that is amazing. Ready? Dad, the parrots are very friendly.
Yes, Tom, parrots can learn many words.
They are very smart birds. Dad, the parrots are very friendly.
Yes, Tom, parrots can learn many words.
They are very smart birds. Dad, can I have a parrot one day?
Maybe one day, if you take good care of it.
I will take good care of a bird. Dad, the elephant is very big.
Yes, Tom, elephants are the largest land animals.
I like watching the elephant walk. Dad, the baby elephant is playing.
Yes, Tom, elephants love water. They look very friendly.
Dad, the elephant is taking a bath.
Yes, Tom, elephants use their trunks to drink and spray water. That is very interesting.
Dad, the elephant walks slowly.
Yes, Tom, big animals move slowly, but they are very strong.
The elephant looks calm. Dad, the forest looks peaceful.
Yes, Tom, forests are the homes of animals.
Animals feel safe here. Dad, what animal is this?
It is called a giraffe.
Dad, its neck is very long.
Yes, it is.
Dad, the giraffe is eating from my hand. Yes, Tom, giraffes are calm and friendly animals. I like feeding the giraffe.
Dad, is that a lion?
Yes, Tom, the lion is the king of the jungle.
He looks very strong. The lion is eating. Yes, Tom, lions are strong hunters.
I am happy to see a real lion.
I like this safari.
Yes, Tom, nature is very peaceful. The forest feels calm. Dad, look! A small stream is crossing the road.
Yes, Tom, this is a forest stream. Animals drink water here, and the water helps the trees and grass to grow fast.
Dad, look, we're on the waters.
Their heart beats slowly, and they can live for about 60
Crocodile
years.
looks strong.
Yes, Tom, crocodiles
Crocodile.
are very made skin like armor.
Wow, Dad, that is interesting. Bye, forest. Bye, animals.